Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to update our Asrock motherboard with the latest firmware. Now the way it works is you gotta go upwards from 3.30 to the next available one. So you can't jump from 3.3 to 5.7 or 7.7. So in order to do that, we have to now go to check what sort of flashes that are available to download. So we will download all of them, put them in a USB so that we can reach to this place now. In order to download your BIOS updates, you gotta go to your manufacturer website, click on your motherboard's link and then go to BIOS. Now you will see a lot of different ones available for your one. In my instance, I've got 3.1, 3.4 and so on and so forth. You can't jump from 3.1 to 5.7. The motherboard will not allow you to download or update from 3.1 to 7.1 or something like that. You have to be doing the progressive updates on your device. So in order for me to download, what I did was actually downloaded all of them, put them into a USB drive, and also made sure they are not in a zip file. So extracted all of them and then put it up in the USB. First of all, what you need to do is you need to make sure your properties of USB is formatted in FAT32. Once you start your computer, press delete button to go into this menu, go to your easy BIOS or whatever options you have on your motherboard. And now in my case, I've got Asrock. I go to tools and click on instant flash. Now at that point, I get a bunch of different options on which one I can actually update. So I'll select that and press update. Now wait for it to complete. As you can see, it might take another 10 minutes to do, so do not turn off your computer at this point. Once it's done, you will get this message, programming success. Now press OK to restart your computer. So once it restarts, you will see the updated version on the top. Now I have 3.40 in this one. I can now go ahead and do another update. I hope this one helps you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.